Hello, I'm Bill Gates, Chairman of Microsoft.
And I'm Jeff Wilbum, founder of Microsoft Excel, a new exciting way to drain all of the energy from your life and place it into little boxes that we call cells.
In this video, you're going to see the future.
You will spend the rest of your days locked into my infuriating little spreadsheets.
We predicted this a long time ago.
I invented Microsoft Excel as a way to take revenge on my high school bully, Jack, who now works as a VP at JP Morgan. With the fortune I've earned through this software, I will soon be feeding grapes to his wife in my Chilean villa, while Jack will spend the rest of his days monkeying numbers into my little software.
It's really attracting all the innovation in the industry.
Have fun in there, Jack. I can already hear your wife in the room next to me, begging for more grapes.